Hi, this is Kay with Around the House with Kay and Tom. Today I am going to fix some ranch style noodles with sweet Italian sausage. So what we need is the sausage, we need some butter, sour cream, ranch dressing, and of course the noodles. So we will get started. We'll get the noodles in the pan to get it started with cooking of the noodles, and in the meantime I need 2 cups of sausage, and I measured it out, and it's going to take about 3 of these sausages to make 2 cups. And so we'll get started, and while the noodles are cooking, we'll fry up the sausage. And oh, we also need some mixed vegetables. I put those back in the refrigerator just until I got started, so I have some mixed vegetables. Now I should be ready to start. So I'm going to cut up the sausage first. I have got the noodles in the pot, so they're cooking. So we'll get the sausage all cut up while that's cooking. And we're going to fry up these sausage. And we're going to add all the other stuff with it. And like I say, I had measured out 1 sausage just to see how much would it do, and it would take probably the 3 sausages to get 2 cups. So we'll cut up the other one, and I should have 2 cups of sausage. I'm using sweet Italian sausage. There we have 2 cups of sausage. So what we'll do now is we'll put it over here in the frying pan, and we'll get it fried up while my noodles are cooking. Okay, it says that my noodles are done, so what I'm going to do with my noodles is I'm going to take them up, and we're going to strain them. And while that is doing it, we need 1/4 cup of butter, which I'm going to put in that. And what we add to that, we add our sausage to this. The butter get a little bit melted. And what we do is we just add our sausage to the butter until the sausage gets a little brown. Well, I don't think it's going to take very long for this to cook. If you want to save time, if you've got time to cook up your meat beforehand, then the only thing you would have to cook would be your veggies. And it usually takes about 5 to 6 minutes to cook your veggies right quick. And cook that just for a few more minutes, and then we're going to take our veggies, mixed vegetables of carrots, green beans, corn, and peas, and we're going to put it in here, and we're going to cook those. Okay, I just checked one of my pieces of sausage, and they're done. I'm going to take my sausage up. It doesn't look like a lot of sausage to me, but okay. And then it says to take the veggies and add the veggies in here and cook them until they're tender. take very long. And we'll just cook that right quick. I just got it and just stir it up to get the butter all around it. Cooking right away. I'll tell you what, the sausage looks good enough just to eat like it is. There we go. It all looks like they're at least sauteed a little. And we'll get it a few seconds, well, minutes really, about 5 minutes to make sure that the veggies are done. Then what we'll do next is we're going to add our sausage back to this. We're going to add a cup of sour cream and a cup of ranch dressing. And when we get that all in here and get it warm, we will pour it over our noodles, and you will have your ranch noodles with sausage. Okay, I think the veggies are about, looks like they're done. So the next thing we do is we pour in 1 cup of sour cream, when I was getting out this sour cream, I thought, wow, that's more than a cup. But no, it's not. That's what the thing says. It is 1 cup. And you need to have 1 cup of ranch dressing. And you definitely need to have your stove cut down a little bit. And you blend that in and let it become creamy. Now it's going. Add your sausage back in there. Cut this down on low or medium. Well, low I think would keep it from popping so bad. And you just let it simmer just for a little bit and get all the flavor blended in. Maybe I cut my stove down a little bit too much, but it was, there we go. I debated whether or not I needed a deeper pan, frying pan, but I said, I think this would work. Probably wouldn't hurt for if I had gotten out the other one that was a little bit deeper. We're just going to let this simmer just for a few seconds. Not long, because I sure don't want everything to be overcooked. And that is getting just as creamy. All of it's blending together. Okay, it's done what it's supposed to do. So what we do now is we're going to take our noodles and we're going to pour them in the bowl. They have been draining. And our sauce has got creamy, real nice and creamy. And so we're going to just pour it all over here. Of course, I went back and got my faithful spoon. Everybody comments on my spoon that I use. Tom always told me, you need to get another spoon. You need to get another spoon. But my idea is what? You can't even buy one like this anymore. Most everything I buy is flimsy. Blend this real good. Put your little salt and pepper on it. My youngest son loves pepper. So I am sure when he tries this, he will re-pepper everything. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to put it in this bowl I went and got. And hope I got a bowl big enough to hold it all. Whoops. Well, I do believe I could have got a larger bowl. But this will do for now because we're going to eat part of it. And here's your finished product. Let me get this over here so you can really see it. And this is ranch style noodles with sweet Italian sausage. It really looks good. So, and again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. I hope you will join my channel, subscribe to my channel, and we'll come back and see me again. And it's really been fun just doing this little video. I'll talk to y'all later. Have a good day. Bye.